Casa Eclipse is a home composed of 3 volumes, with the main one organized on 2 levels around a sculptural helical staircase. Built in Playa Blanca, Zihuatanejo, Casa Eclipse blends contemporary architecture with vernacular materials, creating a deep connection with its coastal surroundings. Right from the entrance, through an arch and a cylinder, this exposed staircase draws the eye upward to a radial dome that filters the light, casting a luminous ring on the floor, evoking a solar eclipse and inspiring the home's name. On the ground floor, the layout is completely open. The living room, dining area, and kitchen share the same open concept space, extending toward the veranda with ocean views. This level also includes a study, a half bathroom, and a suite. At the rear of the house, the leisure area combines a swimming pool, barbecue, and a pergola-covered terrace on a wooden deck, inviting relaxation and social gatherings. Its materiality is honest and rich in contrast. The exposed concrete structure, both board-formed and ribbed, reveals the essence of its construction. Sand-tone chucum finish walls, wood, and matte black steel balance this robustness, bringing warmth and lightness to the social areas. Access to the upper floor is via a smooth corridor with facade louvers that filter light and ensure privacy. Three bedrooms with expansive windows capture panoramic views of the sea. The eastern facade is solid and protected, providing privacy and resisting the coastal climate. In contrast, the western facade opens entirely to the sea, allowing the landscape to become an active part of the interior. The approach to the house is framed by a generous front garden. To the side, A covered garage with a concrete structure and a wooden pergola with huesito de coca reinforces the use of local techniques and materials. 2 auxiliary buildings, a service house and a laundry module with a mechanical room, complete the ensemble. This service area is partially concealed behind a stone wall with a cascading water feature, guiding visitors while offering a sensory experience upon arrival. Casa Eclipse is not just a shelter, it is a serene retreat where architecture and nature intertwine. Every detail inspires tranquility and contemplation, a perfect balance between the built and the natural.